Hello friends, and today is a giveaway day, but before I do that, I do have a couple things and a couple little announcements that I want to say. So if you don't care about the announcements, I'm gonna put like a timestamp somewhere so you can skip ahead in the video and find out if you win the 1K giveaway. But if you don't mind listening to what I have to say for a couple minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and get into that really quick. First of all, thank you so much for entering into the giveaway. Thank you for all of the new subscribers that came on. Hello. I hope you enjoyed the videos that I have for you, and comment down below if there's anything that you want to see. And also thank you for all of the congratulations when it comes to the new baby. We are super excited and can't wait to share that journey with you because it's going to be a journey. A few things. My husband has decided that he wanted to pursue content creation, so I'm going to be helping him and being very hands-on with that with him until he can kind of do it on his own. My husband, I have one of his books here. My husband is a writer. He writes comic books, so this is just like one of his books. Like, yeah, he's been doing this since he was like a child, and so now he's ready to get like really serious about it and start selling like actual hard books, which is very exciting. So he needs help like with his YouTube videos and his TikTok videos and stuff like that. So I'm going to step in and help him with that. If y'all interested, let me know, and I'll probably do a video on that or mention it. So I'm going to be going from two videos a week to two videos a week that were on Tuesday and Thursday to one upload a week that's going to be posted on Sundays. And I also plan on going live sporadically throughout the week, just depending on how I feel. Right now, I'm not really having any morning sickness, but I just overall don't feel like no, my stomach is just all over the place. But I know like eventually I'll feel better and I can start doing lives more. So that's really exciting. So look for those changes. Yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to announcements. Let's go ahead and choose the winner of the giveaway. All right, guys, are you ready? All right, let's figure out who is the winner of the 1K giveaway. Ashley. It says, congratulations, make a little cardigan with matching booties for baby, or a little sweater and a hat combo, or a hooded animal blanket. Actually, make them all. Well, Ashley, I think I am. Thank you so much for entering. So congratulations, Ashley, on winning the 1K giveaway. Everybody give her a round of applause for being the first winner. So yeah, Ashley, you have about a week to send me your information so I can send out all your goodies. Yes, thank you so much for everybody who entered. And this was super fun. I'm definitely going to be doing more, so make sure you hit the notification bell so you know whenever I do another video, giveaway, or go live. If Ashley doesn't claim her reward before a week, I will be doing a live where I do a giveaway in my live. So definitely make sure you are subscribed and have the notifications on. I don't know exactly when I plan on going live with everything and like making a schedule when I go live. It's just a lot easier than doing and editing a video. So I'll let you guys know like somewhere in the community tab. But yeah, this was super fun. I definitely plan on doing more giveaways. Oh, before I go, don't forget to check out my new pattern that just came out at the beginning of this month. The sweet anniversary scarf. That link will also be down below in the description. But you know, now I hope you have a wonderful day. And as always, create something gorgeous. Bye, guys.